Welcome back to the show. I'm here with Alan Graham and his lovely and vivacious partner, Kathy Bass from Counts Realty. Thanks for coming on the show. Good to see you again, Kathy.
Thank you. Good morning.
Yeah, thanks for coming on. Alan, thanks for bringing your prettier half of your business in today.
Yeah, I'm blessed. It's great to have a partner because it gives us the opportunity to serve our customers better, because sometimes we take vacations and I've got somebody that knows our business just as well as I know it. So
is that a common practice in real estate? You kind of tag team it with a partner? Or?
It is nowadays. Yeah. Teams are much more prevalent. It seems to work better in the market that we're in today. Yeah. To have teams.
So if we go to either one of you, we're going to get two for the price of one, basically. We'll get the attention of two experienced realtors helping us out with our real estate needs, whether it's buying, selling, whatever.
Exactly.
So bottom line, the secret is, what's market conditions like? How's my house doing? Is everybody's house appreciating?
You know, the market conditions right now are kind of tenuous. Consumer confidence level is not at its highest, and there's a lot of things creating that environment. Healthcare cost and over-regulation. But in January of this year, Counts Real Estate Group had their largest month since we've been in business since 2006. We closed $21 million in the month of January, and so that was a record for us. Sometimes I have to take a look at who's invested money here, and we're starting to see Pier Park obviously has done a huge expansion. I also see other conditions. Calypso has decided they're going to build another condo out there. So people are seeing that it's time to start creating some opportunity for wealth, that the market has hit its lowest. Interest rates starting to move up slightly are creating people that were on the cusp of buying a home to jump off. And so inventory is moving down, and prices are about, what would you say the other day? 205 for a
208.
208 for an average sale on a home. So
in the United States.
Okay, so the United States wide 208.
Yes.
Of course, you got your little outliers like California and New York and places like that. And so it's, I guess it's appreciating. Homes are appreciating more?
There are pockets of houses that are absolutely appreciating. Condos are appreciating.
Really? Okay.
One of the things that it's always interesting is when somebody says, well, I want to wait till the bottom of the market hits. Well, they missed that 2 years ago. And so what we're seeing now is people are saving favorites of condos that they want to look at when they come down in a month or two, and they're gone.
Oh, well, there was a glut of condos for a while there, wasn't there? There was a lot of unsold inventory on the beach.
You know, I had so many friends tell me that, hey, when you run across that really great deal, and they always wanted the distressed properties or they wanted the foreclosures, whenever I would present those deals to them and say, here's your sign, this is the one you need to buy, they would say, well, I think I'll wait just a little bit longer, and they never really took advantage of that. And now the majority of those foreclosures have moved off the market. They've moved. Foreclosures typically are about 5 to 10% of a market on a normal market. 2 years ago, they were up as high as 30 to 40% of the condo market because of the 2004-05 run up in prices that people bought at.
Yeah, and you know, people had heard these stories. I don't know if they're legend or true, but occasionally you'd see a news item of all these auctions on the courthouse steps, people getting these phenomenal deals by just paying back taxes or whatever. Is there any truth to that, or is it a lot harder to get rich in real estate?
Occasionally you can go in and pay HOA fees or something like that, but it's usually when there's a fluke in the paperwork. Rarely does a bank not show up to buy the assets that they're taking back. And that's generally where you're going to find the foreclosures, is on the courthouse steps, is there's an asset manager there to purchase those assets that are going into foreclosure.
So, Alan, I guess the bottom line is things are looking up.
They are, but again, I caution you that the interest rates are moving up very slowly. People are making guarded decisions about it. We don't see a huge increase in sales as far as jump in value in residential, single-family residential. In condos, they've been going up about 15% per year for the last 2 to 3 years since 2009, the oil spill that created a glut right then. But
so I guess the best advice is, you know, if you want to be a homeowner or you are a homeowner looking to sell, get the advice of a professional. You know, go to Counts Realty, look for Alan Graham and Kathy Bass, and you'll get us hooked up.
Absolutely.
Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks, Don.